That probably got on camera. But anyways, today it's a shitty day, so...
What are you doing, you fucking Reed?
Work needs to be done to this. Ignore him. Pretty sure the ignition's off. Actually, I am sure. What? Oh, dog's got a stick. She got a stick, yeah. Off for the plug. Oh boy. Alright. So that's number 6. That's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. Don't be like this.
They go by length.
Yeah, I figured
So
that
as
out
long
too.
as you can keep them
That one goes
sorted.
there. That one's 4 or 5. Oh, I'm gonna take that breather cover off, aren't I? Head breather.
No, you won't. You get after him.
Get off there. All right.
Now, in order to get the spark plug
Oh
it's the other one, isn't it?
no, it's 13/16, so I believe. Yeah, it's 13/16, so I just need a deep socket, and apparently that's not deep enough. See if you can't go get one.
Why didn't you just bring the kit?
Because it's not gonna have a deep socket 13/16s. It's gonna be in my dad's drawer somewhere. Oh, I'm sorry. But at any rate, this thing's been running like shit, and the battery has been kind of crapping out because it sat with the ignition on accessory because Tucker left it on by accident and drained the battery. We jumped it with this guy, and might have killed the battery. It may have just needed a charge. I don't know. We'll figure that out in time when it warms up a little better. But I believe one of the plugs is fouling up because it runs on 5 cylinders, and no matter what I do with the carburetor, it always rolls black like it's not firing a cylinder and there's unburnt gas. So I'm going to do the plugs, as I've said, and then I'm going to come back and readjust the carburetor. So that's what's happening today. A little maintenance to make her run a little smoother. 7/8? Minty.
You might as well put the extension on it.
Yeah, probably would be a bad idea. Question. We gonna be able to get it on there? Probably not.
No.
Am I gonna have to? Probably. I have to take that cover. That's not very hard to take that cover off. Inch bolt and then 1/2 inch up there, so. Okay, there.
Maybe.
I'm gonna start taking them out. Oh, that was good. Tight. Hey, quicker this gets done, less time you gotta spend down here.
I'm planning to spend more time at it.
No, I mean out here in the cold.
Okay.
Oh, that one came out. Make sure the washer comes with it.
You might have to take them out. I don't think I can get them. With my bare hand. It's harder than with that.
Grab it right there.
I was grabbing it right there.
I don't know why it's hard for you, but it works for me.
My hands are bigger. It's hard. Like my palms are bigger. It's hard for me to get in there. Yeah, them are kind of rough, aren't they?
Well, I could use a little bit of a touch-up, couldn't I? I don't think these have ever been out of the tractor since we've had it for the last 5 years, which is not a good thing.
You gotta have. I think we've had them out before.
I've tightened them up because they loosened on me, and it was running on 4 cylinders, and then I tightened them back up, and next thing you know, it's running all 6. Running like a kid. Hey, you shut it.
I don't want none of your sass, mister.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. Oh. No chance. No chance. No fucking chance that that just happened. I ain't believing that for a second.
Yeah, you can go in and clean
It worked. This big thing fit behind the head breather. I'm impressed. Well, like the downspout tube for the breather. All the washers with them.
Yep.
Yeah, I bet that's it right there.
Probably.
Because that's covered in gas and oil.
I might they're all pretty bad.
Yep, need to clean up. Alright, off to the shop we go. Time for a good clean. Okay, round 2. This is going to take forever. I'll speed up this portion of the video because this is when I'm going to clean them. I guess while I'm at it, I'll go do the one on the Super too. Pull the plugs off of it, bring them over here. Yep.
I can't see shit!
Oh no! Please keep the washer in there. Hey, that's what those threads are also good for. There, hold that. That's actually, damn, now I wish I had a magnet. Here, just move as we go. And yes, that is a steam locomotive, folks. That's good enough. I just need to, you can move it down as we go. Here, move it back over there.
Actually, I just gotta find the right spot.
That feels. Dos, tres.
Good enough.
I'll turn on the fuel. Oh, get on there. Mr. Quattro, you're gonna get on there. He's the disobedient son of the group. He's a redheaded stepchild.
Oh, you stupid fuck. Get your ass on the goddamn.
You sure 4's on there all the way?
No. Go figure. Rest of them are, though.
There it goes. I think you're just the retarded.
Now, the issue is that these wires are all junk, so I'll be a peachy man and not do that. Hopefully this thing won't need to be junked. Ugh. Rar, 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 rar. Okay. Hopefully the carburetor's set to work.
Put her in a meter. Fuck it.
Choke, choke, choke. Fuck.
Come on.
And here's
Don't
work.
you pull this shit.
Choke. Watch it. Look away. Look away from the tractor. That's why. Well, it's running a lot better. It's running better.
Much better.
Yep. Yeah, it still needs carb adjusted again.